Hello and welcome to another episode of Lawyat TV. I'm Ian. Today we'll be taking a look at the Vivo X50 Pro. But before we get to the device itself, let's take a look at what else is in the box. First, we see a 33-watt fast charger, which is always good. Next, we have earphones, but also a 3.5mm jack to USB-C adapter, which is probably a sign of what to expect from the phone. We also have a clear case, which is always nice to have. And finally, we have the USB-C charging cable. So let's start with the display. We're looking at a 6.56-inch Full HD screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. This means a smoother experience overall, whether you're just scrolling through your social media feed or when playing games that support the higher frame rates. The layout of the phone is pretty standard. On the right, you have the power button and the volume rocker. And at the bottom, you have the USB-C charging port, the SIM tray, and the speaker grill. As you can imagine, unfortunately, no 3.5mm audio jack here. So the left side is pretty clean. Same for the top, but up here, Vivo would like to remind everyone that this phone is 5G ready. The back of the phone is quite nice to look at. It's got what's called AG matte glass, which gives it this nice frosted look, and it goes quite well with the colorway that's called Alpha Grey. The camera island at the top left corner here is where the focus really is at. At the very top, we have the 48MP gimbal camera, followed by the wide angle and portrait cameras, and at the very bottom, the periscope zoom lens. Going back to the gimbal camera for a bit, in my short time with it, I find that it works well enough, but it's not difficult to push it beyond its limits. If you're into vlogging, then this should serve that purpose without the need for a standalone gimbal. The front-facing camera is a 32MP shooter that sits also at the top left corner. Other items on the Vivo X50 Pro spec sheet that's not visible from the outside include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage space, and a 4315mAh battery. There's no price for the phone just yet, as Vivo will only be announcing it next week. Stay tuned to www.lawyat.net for more information on that as it becomes available. And that was our quick look at the Vivo X50 Pro. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever we have new uploads. I'm Ian. See you next time.